Hey guys, what's up? And it's time to do a speed test comparison between a Samsung Galaxy A50 versus a Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro. And this phone is giving you a Qualcomm Snapdragon 652 processor with a 6GB RAM, while the A50 is giving you a Exynos 9610 processor with a 4GB RAM. And let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And so sorry for guys for my voice. I am sick. And Samsung Galaxy A50 is the fastest one, and Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro is right behind, and everything is closed up in the background like always. And the first application, phone dialer, and that was about the same on both phones. Very hard to tell who is going to be the fastest one. Next up is the settings, and seems like the C9 Pro is the fastest one. Next up is the mic lock, and again that was about the same on both phones. Launching the calendar application on both phones, and again that was about the same on both phones. Launching the My Files application on both phones, and seems like C9 Pro is the fastest one. So let's launch some games application, and first is the Candy Crush. And Samsung Galaxy A50 is the fastest one, and C9 Pro is right behind. Next up is the Subway Surfer on both phones, the game application, and A50 is giving you a notch display, while the C9 Pro is giving you a old display design. Last is game application, the Temper Run 2. And again Samsung Galaxy A50 is the fastest one, and C9 Pro is also right behind. In this game, huge difference between both of these phones, and you can see about 8 or 9 the second difference between both of these phones. So last, opening up the application that is called as the camera on both phones up at the same time, and that was about the same on both phones. And A50 is giving you a ultra wide lens. Launching the internet browser on both phones, Samsung Internet versus the Google Chrome on the A50, and the first website is the facebook.com. And Samsung Galaxy A50 is the fastest one, and C9 Pro is right behind. So let's see the important part of this video, the RAM management. And 4GB RAM on the A50 versus a 6GB RAM on the C9 Pro, and that got refresh on the A50. And last is the internet browser on both phones. And overall I have to say that the app's opening speed, it is faster on the Samsung Galaxy A50, and Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro is right behind to the A50. RAM management is very good on the C9 Pro, but one or more application refresh on the A50 in this video. Thank you so much for watching this speed test between a Samsung Galaxy C9 Pro versus the A50. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.